Hello viewer, welcome back to another Tonka video. In this one, we are going to be checking the AC refrigerant on the low side with this. Oh, finally managed to pick one up. I have more uses for this, so this was a $40-something can, but I got more cars. I probably need to get this done anyway. So what we're going to do is follow the steps that it says to do. And for that, we're going to turn the car on, lowest setting, lowest temperature, max setting, recirculating air. And then we're gonna go from there. So we can go ahead and start this thing up. And wait a minute. I like to go for the stop moving. We're gonna go lowest temp, max fan, recirculate, which is right here. Go ahead and open the doors. Open the other door. And it's locked. Keep forgetting that. And this is bent. What I'm probably going to do, if I find another 06 or newer town car, I'm going to pull off this B pillar and then swap them and buy another chrome set and put that on so it's not so bent and bad. And then I'll probably just sell the other stuff off and we'll see from there. Now we're going to access the low side, which is right here. And then we need to remove this plate, so we're going to screw it and put it back together. Now that I got that, where'd it go? Now I got that piece off. I got the low side connected, and it's currently reading a little bit under the green, so I'm going to see how the engine is operating temperature. Looks like it's slowly but surely getting there. Low, max, AC recirculate. Right? Step C to kind of turn the Tacoma truck and clear 3 o'clock. So go right ahead and do that. Well, it looks like that filled it up. We're going to go about halfway, and then we'll go ahead and stop. Alright, that looks about good. We're going to keep this here and let the engine heat up to operating temperature. Let's see if I can spot the compressor down there by running to these AC lines and then following them. I don't exactly remember where they are, but I think it's that down there. Ow, that's hot. Now, if I remember doing this in my Malibu, I think I did it incorrectly, but the air should be colder, and it does feel definitely colder, but who knows if it'll actually stay like this. The engine is reading operating temperature rather quickly, and the gear is staying at the middle. We were at about, I would say, maybe 26 psi. Now we're about 39, so still in the green halfway. We definitely don't want to overcharge this or anything. It says the charge level is 23 ounces. That is a 20-ounce can, but I assume that I'm not evacuating all of this, so we're just gonna, as I said, just charging it up. A thing to note, the older town cars, I think the engine covers, some of them had metal or a chrome-like look on the V8s and the lines going down it, and I thought that looked pretty cool, so I tried looking them up, and it looks like it was only for the older town cars, so that's a little bit of a bummer. Engine has basically reached operating temperature. I'm gonna keep this like this for a little bit more. Definitely condensation already forming on this. This pipe is definitely cold. And let's take a look at the high side, and that is hot, very hot. Put it up a little bit more. It looks like at 40, the air is, as I said, much colder. So that's good. That's what I wanted. I just hope it stay like this. And I would say that's about it for this video. This thing does work, and next video I make, I'll probably give you a quick status update. This should definitely help with getting the cabin cool down as quickly as possible. A side note, if you're wondering about the seat bolts, I left a message for my shop I like going to called Minorec Express, and they did amazing work on this car, getting dents pulled out for really good deals and prices. But I left them a voicemail and still waiting to hear back from them, so probably in the next video I'll tell you about that one. We're gonna go ahead and shop the engine, disconnect it, put the cap back on, and that's probably it for this video. So thanks for watching and have a good one, guys.